Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Icon 1/4 inch drive extra long ratchet and comparing it to the Capri CP90 extra long locking flex head ratchet. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know that I just recently picked up the Icon ratchets G1 and G2 on the Black Friday deal because I have tons of ratchets, don't necessarily need them, but at this price point I figured it was worth picking them up to do some comparisons and just take a closer look at them and share my thoughts with you guys. Well, this isn't 100% fair comparison because they are, one's a fixed head and one's a locking flex head, but Capri no longer offers this, which they just recently released the Comfort Grip locking flex head ratchets this year, but they took away the comfort grips on the set. So now they're only non-comfort grips, and the 1/4 inch is now only 9 inches long. Whereas when they first started selling this set, it's all 3 drive sizes, and the 1/4 inch drive is 12.5 inches long, with comfort grips. So it's kind of weird how they got rid of those. I don't know if they're coming back. I don't know if they stopped, because they do have a fixed head. They have a ratchet identical to this, comfort grip, non-locking 1/4 inch drive at 12 inches long. So I don't know what's going on there, but I was able to get the set before this specific design went away. But we're going to do some comparisons, kind of share my thoughts with you guys as far as pros and cons to maybe each one. We're just going to quickly go over kind of some of the specs of each one and the pricing, and then we will tear it down as well. So first up is the Icon G2. This is the R1 XLG, and you can actually see that at the base above the comfort grip right there. This is the 1/4 inch extra long with the comfort grip. It is available in a couple different options. You can get a shorter locking flex head, and then I think you can get it without the comfort grip as well. This is a 72 tooth design. The 3/8 is 80 tooth, but they went with the 72 tooth on the 1/4 inch, which honestly, still 5-degree arc swing instead of the 4.5. I think it'll be just fine. 72 to 90 is kind of the sweet spot that a lot of people really enjoy. And I will tell you one thing, the smoothness and back drag is a huge improvement over the Gen 1 Icon ratchets. So I really like it, and I'm perfectly okay with the 72 tooth design. It is your standard chrome polish design. They do have a taper here that I mentioned in my original video where I compared this to the G1 1/4 inch drive. I do kind of think that's kind of a cool design, kind of thicker up here and then it slowly tapers down, but nice chrome polish finish. It is a sealed backing plate, and it is T10 hardware that they use on here. Now, one thing I will say, thanks to a subscriber of the channel for warning me, these are locked in here extremely well. So I suggest before attempting to remove these, you take a torch and heat these guys up. Otherwise you might go through some bits. So that is one thing to be aware of. This does use their split pawl design, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. I'll even throw a picture up in here of the breakdown of the internals for this ratchet. It does use that classic snap-on reverse switch, but this is a much lower profile than the G1 that sticks up quite a bit more. So a nice low profile even with this not being recessed. The comfort grip is a new design, which I really like. It's kind of contoured to the hand a little bit more than the old just generic design that they had. A lot more grippy here with the rubber. It is a TPV comfort grip and is designed to resist chemicals, oils, all of that. So it should hold up over time. Same thing with the Capri. The overall length for this is 12.5 inches. It does carry that lifetime warranty. And this typically runs full price, $45. The sale I got it on, it was down to $27, but you can find it on multiple different sales throughout the year and save at least a little bit of money. So I think in this price range, it's a very solid option. Moving on to the Capri. This is the Capri CP90 S14 FXL. I do believe it states it right here on the center of the blade. It's the 1/4 inch extra long with comfort grip, available in a fixed head at 12 inches long, or a non-comfort grip locking flex head in 9 inches. So a couple different variations of it now, but as far as I know, I can't find this specific one anywhere now. It is a 90 tooth design with a 4-degree arc swing, very smooth and low back drag ratchet. Once again, your typical chrome polish, and Capri typically does a fantastic job on their chrome. There you got the goat head. Absolutely love that goat head. It is a push button design. It is a spring-loaded push button for unlocking the flex head. So you have to press and hold it in, and then wherever you release it, it has 9 different locking positions. Very minimal play for a locking flex head. Pretty decent on there. Much better than the gear wrench. It is a true single pole design, which we'll get into when we take the backing plates off of each one so you guys can see the internals. Here is the design for the comfort grip, which the black is also very grippy, just like the Icon. It is also designed to resist chemicals. It is a low profile design, just like the Icon, and this also comes in at 12.5 inches. The backing plate is sealed with a couple of Phillips head fasteners. It also carries a lifetime warranty, and this runs $40, not on sale. Capri, every once in a while you'll find sales on Amazon. Sometimes they'll do like monthly deals or special deals, not quite as often as Harbor Freight, but $40 is still a fantastic price for this, especially a locking flex head 90 tooth of this length. $40, that's what the price was if you could find it. But they do have other options that are a little bit cheaper. I believe $30 to $40 for their other 1/4 inch. Capri has fantastic pricing on their ratchets, so $5 cheaper than the Icon, and this is a locking flex head 90 tooth. Both I think are super solid options. So I'm just going to kind of measure some of the thicknesses. So the Capri handle, or the center section of the shaft, is 7.88, we'll say 7.9. The Capri is 9.9, so 2 millimeters thicker on the center section of the shaft, which is pretty impressive. That's roughly what it is up here on the Icon, 10 millimeter up here before it kind of tapers down. As far as widths of the head, Capri, you're looking at roughly 24 millimeters wide, and the Icon just under 23, 22.8. So a little bit slimmer as far as width. I think it's a little bit slimmer as far as depth as well. So 10.8 and 12.6. So where I do like the extra material here for the Capri, the Icon is 2 millimeters for the most part thinner on the head. Both very small head designs, as you can see here. Holding them like that, you can't even really tell. There you can see the Capri's just a little bit thicker. Trying to get them even. There you can kind of see the difference. And then Capri's reverse switch, just a low profile. It isn't recessed, but still very low profile. There's the Icon and the Capri. I'd say the Capri is a little bit lower profile, but both smooth actions. This one actually kind of has a snap to it, where the Icon, like I stated in my previous video, this one, I don't know if it has to do with spring pressure or maybe it's all of these 1/4 inch ones. It doesn't snap to the other position. I can kind of stop it wherever I want along its path. And I think maybe when I disassembled this, I should have kind of stretched the spring that's down here, but not a big deal. But that is a look at both of the ratchets, the Icon being a little bit slimmer on the shaft and the head in both width and depth. This is not something that you would typically be using daily. This kind of has their own special situations, and if you're not careful with these, if you're working with small fasteners, you can do damage. These are quite tough ratchets. The internals are quite strong, so if you're working with small fasteners, you will or can damage some fasteners. Now if you're trying to do some 3/8 fasteners or 1/2 inch drive fasteners with a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, yeah, you could break these, but they are very tough. So just use common sense. If you're struggling with your 1/4 inch drive, step up to the next drive size of ratchet. Which ratchet I think is smoother with the least amount of backdrag, and the comfort grips. So as far as the comfort grip, both of them are very comfortable. I think the Icon is a little bit more comfortable. I don't have a complaint about either one of them, but if I had to choose, I think I prefer the Icon one more. They both kind of have that contoured shape for your hand, so they're both really comfortable, both dual material. So I don't have a complaint about either one, but if I'm just going to pick one, I'm going to say the Icon. Now, when it comes to the operation, very smooth, Very low back drag, especially compared to the G1. Very, very smooth, very low back drag. So I'll just give you guys a listen. That was the Capri and the Icon. So I don't know if you guys can tell. And just because it doesn't always mean that smooth and back drag don't always match. Like the Icon G1 is really smooth with horrible back drag. These are both smooth and have low back drag, but I will say I think the Capri is smoother and has less back drag, but neither of them are horrendous. Both of them are actually fantastic as far as smoothness and back drag, but I think the Capri edges it out, but I think the Icon has a little bit more comfort grip. So that's my thoughts on the operation and the overall comfort grip design. But let's go ahead and tear these down. If you just got yours and you haven't removed yours, make sure to use a little butane or some sort of heat gun or a torch and heat these suckers up before you attempt removing these set screws, because you will destroy some bits. And I want to give a huge shout out to Cobro, sorry if I butchered your name again, for giving me the heads up on that backing plate set screws, because they are set in there solid. Now I've kind of taken this apart a couple times, but maybe I'll throw a picture up in here of what the 3/8 looked like when I took it apart. There's a ridiculous amount of Loctite in these. Capri is actually a Phillips head, so there you can see the set screw size difference. Quite beefy on the Icon for sure. The backing plates, both nice and thick. The Capri does have a little groove cut in it because they use an O-ring that actually sits around it. The Icon, I believe if I remember correctly, actually came dry. There was like a drop, maybe one drop of lubricant. I used a little pivot oil to lubricate it just ever so slightly. The Icon does have a rubber O-ring on the top and one on the reverse switch, but there you can see the internals. The Icon uses a two-piece reverse switch design, and then the Capri actually uses one that is recessed down inside the head of the ratchet. Haven't had an issue with either one. Obviously I've used the Capri a little bit more and used Capri as a ratchet in general, not just this ratchet, but their ratchets in general, way more than I have the Icon, since these are my first Icon ratchets. But we'll just take the main gear out, take a look at those, and then we'll take a look at the pawls. So on the right you have the Icon, on the left you have the Capri. You can see the Capri has many more teeth than the Icon. So you can see the ball detents and just the thickness difference of them. So the thickness of the housing may also help with the sound of the ratchet as far as the mechanism, not just being a 90 tooth, but also the thickness of the surrounding housing, as well as the main gear and pawl. That all has to do with how a ratchet sounds. But I think both are really, really solid. Both are built really well. The one up top is the Capri, the one down below is the Icon, and there you can see kind of where it steps down in the center. You have much less teeth on the Icon. You still get 5 teeth engaging on the main gear, so good tooth engagement. It just relieves some of the pressure off of that gear to allow for less back drag with this design. So I think the 72 tooth design and the pawl change design on the ratchet was a good move in order to reduce the back drag that these ratchets had in the Gen 1. And then the Capri multi-tooth pawl, single pawl design, what they call their true single pawl. There you can see the design difference. Now we'll go with the lightweight. And then if you have the Capri or a Capri design like this, just make sure that you get the rubber O-ring on the backing plate. And then just keep in mind, these backing plate screws do not need to be tightened down a ridiculous amount. Just run them snug. Kind of when they stop, you stop. And just snug it down, stopped. So overall, I think both are really solid options I think Icon did a really good job on these new Gen 2 ratchets, and I think Capri has some amazing prices for the ratchet options that they have. I think both of them are extremely solid options. I think both are going to be great for weekend warriors, DIYers that are looking for a quality ratchet, not just in the extra long, but their other ratchets, but also those in the professional field. I think both of them are going to be just fine. Both carry a lifetime warranty, both priced really well, both built with quality in mind. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Which one do you like more? Unfortunately, this exact design, as of right now, I can't find, but they do have other similar options. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.